This video will review your order of operations questions on your night before the test study homework. All right, so order of operations, a way to think about it is it's kind of like the specific language of how to evaluate expressions. And unlike other areas of math, we can't be very creative with order of operations. We have to follow a specific order, or else different people would evaluate expressions differently and it would get confusing. All right, so let's just jump in. Let's look at this first expression, 7 plus 5 times 8. So Domo's reporting live, and he's giving us some really awesome steps to follow to help keep our minds organized and help follow the steps exactly as they are meant to be followed. So 1, we're going to evaluate in layers using our little math carrots. And when we evaluate in layers, it's super duper important to just do one step at a time. Every time you start a new layer, you're going to start the order of operations over again. All right, so now let's start. Do we see parentheses? Nope. Are there exponents? Nope. Is there multiplication or division? Both multiplication and division are inverse operations. They have the same level of importance. Yeah, there's multiplication right here. So we're going to evaluate that first. 5 times 8 gives us a product of 40. And then we bring down everything exactly in the same order it was. 7 plus. We already used the 5. We already used the 8. So we're not bringing down either of those. Cool. So now we're just going to evaluate the final layer. There was multiplication. We did it. Now all that's left is addition. Cool. 7 plus 40? 47. Cool. So this first expression has a value of 47. Nice job. Awesome sauce. Oh, thanks, Domo. All right, now we're going to look at this expression. So again, let's start over. Do we see parentheses? Yes, we do. Where are they? Right here. All right, awesome sauce. Let's highlight those parentheses. So all this is in our parentheses. So we're going to zoom in on this for a second. But what do you notice? Yeah, within these parentheses, there are 2 operations. We have addition and we have multiplication. So let's start over. So we have parentheses. There's no exponents in there. But there is multiplication or division. There's multiplication. We are going to evaluate that first. 5 times 2 is 10. Then I'm going to bring down everything exactly as it was. My addition symbol and my 2. And since there's still an operation symbol left within the parentheses, I'm bringing down those parentheses as well. And on the outside of the parentheses, we have 36 divided by what's in the parentheses. Awesome. All right, so let's go back. New layer. Are there parentheses? Yeah, there are. We still have parentheses right here. So we're going to do that first. We're going to add 2 plus 10, and we get a sum of 12. Then we bring down everything else. Our division symbol and our 36. And now we're left with 36 divided by 12. So no exponents. We are just left with our division. And we're going to do that. 36 divided by 12. Oh, I could think 12 times what gets me 36? 3. The quotient is 3. The value of this expression is 3. All right, keep on cruising. Woo. All right. So sometimes in test situations, you might have multiple choices, a multiple choice question that asks like which expression is equal to any given number, in this case 48. And then you have like a few different choices. Like we say in class, guys, when in doubt, try it out. Evaluate these expressions, not in your head, but actually writing them down and see which one is equal to 48. These should be pretty friendly. So I'll start here first. 4 plus 6 times 4 plus 8. Cool beans. Let's start our order of operations. Are there parentheses? Nope. All right, we solved that part. Are there exponents? Nope, we solved that part. Is there multiplication or division? Yes, there is. We see multiplication. Where? Right here. With our 6 times 4. So we're going to group that. 6 times 4 is 24. We're going to bring down our 4 plus, our plus 8, and now we're just left with addition. So check that off. Now we just have addition. And now we're going to go from left to right. So 4 plus 24 is 28, plus 8. 28 plus 8 is equal to 36. So that first expression is equal to 36. Boop. Not 48. All right, let's try the next one. We got 10 minus 2 in parentheses plus 8 times 5. Cool beans. All right, what are we going to do first? Let's start our checklist. And guys, we highly suggest you create a checklist like this for yourself on your test when you're taking it or whenever you have to use order of operations. So parentheses, sure are. Let's evaluate inside our parentheses. 10 minus 2 is 8. Bring down everything else. All right, I'm going to pause. What operation are we going to perform next and why? Let's see. No exponents. Is there multiplication or division? Yes, there's multiplication here. That's what we're going to perform next because multiplication, division family, takes priority over the addition subtraction family. 8 times 5 is 40. And then we bring down our plus. We bring down our 8. 8 plus 40 is 48. I have a feeling this is correct, but just to make sure, always solve the last one so that you could be really positive. If you get the same answer for 2 of them, you might have made a mistake using your order of operations and you might have to go and look and revise. All right, so we have 8 plus 24 divided by 6. No parentheses, no exponents. Is there multiplication or division? Yep, division. Solve that. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Bring down my 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So we were right. Letter B is correct. All right, kiddos, that is all for now. Hope this was helpful. Remember, make your little study guide and you're going to do great. Bye. Bye, everybody. Domo out.